Hi guys, welcome to my videos. So today in this video I'm gonna unbox this new budget phone, Android phone, Alcatel 1B. Well, its cost is like around 99 Canadian dollars, and it has got a lot of features. So when I compared price with the feature, I thought it's like worth of buying it. That's why I have purchased it. So I'm now gonna open this up, and we are gonna see what is inside and how we can uh, explore and use this phone further. Okay, right. So here is what I have got. So Alcatel 1B, and this is the main screen. I have a sticker over here. I gotta remove it, and it describes the feature: Android 10, 3000 milliampere battery, Google Assistant, 5.5-inch display. Wow. And this is how it looks. You have a camera, rear camera, front camera. What else we have got over here? Let's see. I have got a quick start guide about how to use this device, and I have got safety and precautions. I have got a charger and its charging cable, and also I have its earphone. Okay, and here comes its battery. Okay, perfect. So let me see how it works. I'm gonna fix the things right away. First I'm gonna unpack and so now I have read some instructions, and I have unpacked this battery. I gotta open this. So this you can open easily by, you see there's a slot here. This slot you are gonna use to open it, and I'm gonna do it. And after I opened, this is what I am seeing it over here. Like I have a slot for micro SD card if I want to use, and I have a slot for nano SIM. So it's really good. And here comes the battery, the important part of it. Let me see how I can fit it. I'm gonna have this touching to this. Okay, this wasn't difficult, and I think I can easily lock it up. Okay, that's really good. Wow. So I was able to easily unlock the device and put the battery in. Now I need to charge it and use the device further. That's good. So now I have put the charging in. This is how the charging cable looks. I have got 52% charging already with the battery. That's not bad. Now I have turned the phone on as well, and let's see how it goes. English Canada, let's start. I don't want to insert a SIM card because I just want to use it for other purposes like a tab. Now it is connecting to Wi-Fi, and for privacy reasons I have not shown the name and other things because you know why. Okay, now the Wi-Fi has been connected and it is checking for updates. Hopefully it records better videos. Okay, so now it is asking me to set a pin. I'm gonna set a pin, and then it asks for confirming the pin. I do it. Terms condition, if you want you can read and click on finish. And here comes. Now you can select home and screen, home and drawer screen, home screen only. I select the first one, finish. Perfect. Now I have got everything I needed along with a lot of apps and things. Alright, so I'm gonna go ahead and use it. Thanks for watching, guys.